Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how to track your EVRi parcel. First of all, you must have a tracking number or reference number. After that, go to Google and search here EVRi Courier tracking. First website Parcel Tracking UK. Track my parcel. Click here. Then write your tracking number and click the track button. Your parcel detail is here. My parcel already delivered at Thursday 6 November. View full tracking detail. For full tracking detail, enter your postcode and click continue. Your parcel full detail is here. View proof of delivery. Thanks for watching.